Welcome to the fourth episode of our Arabic NLP series. Today we will explore key tasks essential for processing the Arabic language and natural language processing. So we will explore these concepts easily and dive into details when it is necessary. Okay, so let's start understanding what does orthographic transliteration means, then orthographic normalization, then handwriting recognition, and the automatic diacritization. Okay, so first let's talk about orthographic transliteration, which involves converting Arabic script into Roman scripts in a way that each Arabic character is corresponding directly to a Roman character. Okay, so as you can see in this example, so this differs from transcription, of course, which focus more on representing the sounds of the language. Okay, so in transliteration, each letter has a specific, as you can see here, has a specific Roman equivalent, making the process fully reversible. So the most commonly used system in Arabic NLP is the backwards of transliteration. It is a very popular like in Arabic NLP, which uses ASCII characters for easy reproduction without needing to specific fonts. Okay, let's understand it more. So the backwards transliteration system is widely used, as I have said, in Arabic NLP. It provides a one-to-one mapping between, and we saw this in this example, right? So it's like one-to-one mapping between Arabic and the Roman characters, so making it like straightforward to convert. So this system uses the ASCII standards, ASCII characters, and it's, as you know, like accessible for some debugging. So there are some challenges regarding this way or the system of transliteration, uh, especially some are reserved in a programming languages, and we're gonna see this in the reserved symbols. But first, let's talk about the readability. Uh, Now we have some certain ASCII characters that are not suitable for reading Arabic. For example, if we look for this letter, which is representing by this H, which is ha, okay? This is in English, but the Arabic we say like ha. And also for the letter Ain is represented by E, okay? See now the different sounds when I say it in Arabic, for example here rain, and when I say it in the English one, which is for example here G. Okay, so these symbols are difficult for non-Arabic speakers to interpret without understanding the translation system, so making somehow the text harder to read. Okay, also we have like here the example for one word, which is Arabi. Now we represent like the Ain here, this letter, by E. So somehow it is difficult to recognize it. Okay. The second problem is the reserved symbols, which is a challenge because, as you know, some of the programming languages, like we define this or this in programming languages, okay, and it's used for to define some code blocks, but it's actually okay, it's also like corresponds to Arabic letters, like this one and this one. Okay. Next, we talk about orthographic normalization, where we are trying to reduce the noise in the Arabic text. So this is like a crucial step in processing Arabic text. The goal is to reduce noise and variations that can cause problems in NLP like in machine translation or information retrieval. Uh, so techniques include like cleaning up, which is called encoding clean up, or the Tatweel removal, or the diacritic removal, or also the little normalization. Uh, Now, if we see, for example, some examples of these techniques, like the encoding cleanup, this is like also like a challenge or an issue in for Arabic when it's like encoded. For example, this letter kaf or K, which is encoded as this one for the standard Arabic, and this one, which is for the Persian kaf. Okay. Now, converting all variations into this one, for example, for the standard one, is just for a goal of standardize the representation, which is we really look for to get some consistency. Okay. Another example is sometimes we write like this word, which is book, making like this long between the two letters. Okay, and this is we call it Tatweel, for example. And when we are doing the orthographic normalization, we should like for pre-processing of the data, we should remove it. Okay, so this is also should be taken under consideration when like doing the pre-processing or removing or reducing the noise in Arabic text. We have also sometimes we don't use the diacritic when we are dealing like in machine translation or in some other topics. So what we are doing is just to remove this one. Okay. Now, of course, there is like baseline methods to do this by defining the tashkil and other things. Also, now scholars like trying to do like this automatic uh, diacritic removal or adding just by using the transformer concepts, the LLM concepts, generative AI in general. So yeah, there are some attempts to do so. Lastly, we have the letter normalization, and we can see like we have the alif normalization and we have the ya or alif maqsura normalization, and I have talked about this previously. So like we have convert different forms of alif, so we have this one, and this one to like this one, okay, without any hamza or madda. Okay, so this is the word before normalization and this is after. Okay, even for this one we're converting this to yeah, which is including like the two dots. Handwriting recognition is another important task in Arabic NLP. So it involves converting handwritten or printed Arabic text into digital format. There are like two types. We have the offline and the online one, which works like with the scanned images of text, and the online deals with the real-time input from a digital pen. Okay, so the connected or the cursive nature of Arabic script combined with the use of like the diacritics and others, like making the task challenging. There are some techniques actually used to do the to do this handwriting recognition, like the hidden Markov models, uh, which are used like in other cursive scripts, and it also can be used for Arabic. We have also the automatic diacritization. So we have seen like here how to remove it, and also here we can do like the restoring the missing text in Arabic text. So this process involves like adding the missing diacritical marks, like for example the short vowels and others that we have seen like last video. Uh, and also we have seen its importance. I mean, so automatic diacritization is uh, some dialects. I mean, like depends on the grammatical context, and it is like crucial for like accurate meaning and pronunciation of the word. So while challenging, like this is like a vital task for ensuring that Arabic text can be correctly understood and processed. Yeah, so this is all. So in summary, we have explored several key NLP tasks that are fundamental to working with the Arabic language. So hope you find this useful, and thank you. See you next video.